will really help to expand innovative, affordable, and inclusive health care.
I want to first thank all of my colleagues on both sides of the aisle for working on so many issues. I want to go back to 2012 when OHE was first formed, Oregon Health Equity Alliance, with only, I think, 7 organizations, a few items on their agenda, and some of them were really a bedrock of a lot of the work that was to later CONO, which is, I'm happy to say, is based in the heart of my district, House District 42, Southeast Portland, along 82nd Avenue, the J District, worked on the health equity data collection bill. So really making sure that OHA and DHS collects really good disaggregated data about how our health policies and how the outcomes are affecting different subpopulations so we can be more strategic in the response. So much success. In addition to a huge number of my colleagues here as well, is because of that bipartisan support. But really it goes back to OHE, who's giving the awards, but really should get the lead on all of these different bills that you're hearing about, and many in between. I mentioned 2012, and then we went to 2016, but there were so many bills in between. Figuring out who's the lead, and yes, we saw Loyd and David and Shane every day there for the COFA bill, but we also saw a lot of their colleagues. And so it's not only figuring out who's the primary champion and being really coordinated and strategic about it, but also building alliances so that you're supporting each other, because you all know what it's like to not have access to adequate health care. So, congratulations. I'm sorry that our legislative budget is so limited and we don't have the ability to give you all awards, but awards to OHE, because you've been a dramatic change in helping improve the lives of Oregonians.
Hello, my name is Christina Narayan. I'm the Policy and Research Coordinator with HAPANO. I'm here today to present this award. I'm just going to leave this here so everyone could take a look. This could be you, legislators. This award is for Senator and Dr. Alan Bates. Senator Bates is receiving this OHE Leadership Award for his steadfast support of the Basic Health Plan, hb4017, and the COFA Premium Assistance Program, hb4071. Senator Bates, along with his colleagues, Representative Nancy Nathanson, Senator Steiner Hayward, Representative Clem, among many others, pushed for continuous funding of the COFA Premium Assistance Program, and that is huge. Now, like the COFA population, we know that many other Oregonians face similar exclusions to healthcare, and so while we celebrate these policy wins today, we know that there's much work to be done. So we will drop this by Senator Bates's office, but we want to keep an eye toward 2017 and continue to work toward covering all of Oregonians and delivering accessible, affordable health coverage. Thank you.
Our next award is to Representative Gilliam, who we were expecting and hopefully will join us in a couple of minutes. Representative Gilliam has been a champion for us for the last 2 years, and it first started with the issue of Cover All Kids. And he truly was a compassionate legislator because he got it. He got it that it was the right thing. It was the right thing to do at the time, and it's still the right thing. He still continues to talk about it. Then when we started talking about Basic Health Plan and the COFA Premium Assistance Bill, he also got it. And I think that's an important piece to our work, an important piece to our leadership, that they get it and understand the communities that they represent. And Representative Gilliam has been that champion for us. And so we're so excited to give him the award, and excited to continue to work with him. So let's give him a round of applause, and hopefully he'll join us soon.
We're going to close out this brief ceremony here on the Capitol steps of Oregon on this Tuesday, May 24th, and really want to acknowledge how this couldn't be possible without our communities learning to work together, to be able to act strategically the way Rep. Kenny Geyer said, and to be able to put forward an agenda of things that we believe we can accomplish here in Oregon. We're really glad to be having new partners at the table, like the NEA Family Center. Thank you so much for joining the steering committee. And to have 45 organizations from across the state who are both representative of communities that experience health disparities and also bring the capacity to advocate and to organize. We look forward to a big 2017 session. We're right now putting together our new policy agenda, which we hope to release this fall. For those of you who have been to our big kickoffs in the past, I see Ty Schwafferman's here and Reina Lopez, who have been our organizers in the past. We'll be having a big kickoff sometime in the fall in Portland, Oregon, but we'll also be continuing to have a presence here in Salem, Eugene, and other places around the state. So with that, we want to close out. We also want to invite you, if you are hungry, to have some pupusas with us afterwards. We are also signing cards to legislators for their support during the short session on the back table. So there's already handwritten cards there. You can add your name and organization to the cards. We'll be delivering those today throughout the Capitol. So with that, any other last announcements? Great. We want to thank you all for enjoying the sun and being with us on this Tuesday morning. Thanks so much.
We want to thank everybody for coming out today, for all the Oregonians that now will have health care coverage. Thank you for all the people that worked diligently to make this bill pass. God is marvelous. Thank you.
It means a lot for us. So we're waiting for later at 1:45 p.m. We're going to have the governors will sign on the bills.
So I want to welcome, while we're doing this bill signing for 4071 in the corner, Shanti, you want to raise your hand? She's shadowing me for the day. She's an 8th grader at the the Eugene Arts and Tech School in Eugene. So anyway, welcome. All right, you guys, you ready for the first bill? Yes. All right. Oh, there's the second one. Hi, guys. What are your names?
Exodus, and this is Noel.
And lunch.
School and lunch? Yeah. Yeah, I have to finish. Yeah. They like me to finish lunch too. Alright, so we're gonna do a, you know what, guys, if you can you come around so we can get your faces? We're gonna take a photo. Come on. Sit on my lap or whatever. There.
She's really nice.
All right. Oh, perfect. All right, you guys. Everybody ready to smile?
There you go.
Everyone, we're going to try to take an official photo. If we want to kind of back away, we've got the governor's camera ready.
Everybody smile. You guys smile. Cheese. Cheese. Thank you. Oh, beautiful.
Thank you. Oh,
You got it?
I'm getting it.
thank you. Oh, thank you. Okay.